Welcome. Today we are going to see how to make South Indian special, black gram vada. Soak 1½ cup of black gram for 1 hour. Now the black gram is soaked well. Now take small amount of black gram and transfer it in blender jar. With this, add 6 green chillies, 2 teaspoon of salt, grind it. Then add some more black gram with this and grind it again. Repeat the process until all the black gram are grounded. Grind it like this. Transfer this to a bowl and mix it well. Now add 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, handful of coriander leaves, handful of curry leaves, and 3 medium onion chopped. Mix it all together. Now the vada mixture is ready. Heat the fry pan. Pour required amount of oil. Let it heat for some time. Now grease your hand with oil or water. Take small amount of vada mixture and level like this. Make a hole in center. Then put in the oil without spoiling the hole. Flip them and cook both the sides. Take it out once you get the color like this. Now the black gram vada is ready. Please subscribe, comment and like the video. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching.